Hello students, let's continue chapter 10th of science of class 7th, that is respiration in organisms. Today we will discuss about breathing. Firstly we will perform activity 10.1. Close your nostrils and mouth tightly and look at a watch. What did you feel after some time? How long were you able to keep both of them closed? Note down the time for which you could hold your breath. Students, you can see this picture. Do this activity under the supervision of your parents. Students, you will observe that uneasiness is felt by holding breath. Generally, you can keep nostrils and mouth closed up to 30 seconds. The average time to hold your breath is 35 seconds. So, now you know that you cannot survive for long without breathing. Breathing means taking in air rich in oxygen and giving out air rich in carbon dioxide with the help of respiratory organs. The taking in of air rich in oxygen into the body is called inhalation, and giving out of air rich in carbon dioxide is known as exhalation. It is continuous process which goes on all the time and throughout the life of an organism. The number of times a person breathes in a minute is termed as the breathing rate. A breath means one inhalation plus one exhalation. So students, as you know that nostrils, nasal cavity, windpipe and lungs are respiratory organs. So we can say that breathing involves inhalation and exhalation. It is a mechanical process. So the taking in of air rich in oxygen into the body is called inhalation, and the air containing carbon dioxide given out is called exhalation. Students, would you like to find out your breathing rate? Do you want to know whether it is constant or it changes according to the requirement of oxygen by the body? Let us find out by doing the following activity. Generally, we are not aware that we are breathing. However, if you try, you can count your rate of breathing. Breathe in and out normally. Find out how many times you breathe in and breathe out in a minute. Did you inhale the same number of times as you exhaled? Now count your breathing rate after brisk walk and after running. Record your breathing rate as soon as you finish and also after complete rest. Tabulate your findings and compare your breathing rates under different conditions with those of your friends. Students, you have to complete table 10.1 that is given in your textbook on page number 110. So you will observe that under normal condition breathing rate is 15 to 18 times per minute. After brisk walking or running, breathing rate increases. We will conclude that generally under normal condition oxygen requirement of body is comparatively low, but in walking or running more energy is consumed and requirement of oxygen increase. Students, on an average, an adult human being at rest breathes in and out 15 to 18 times in a minute. During heavy exercise, the breathing rate can increase up to 25 times per minute. While we exercise, not only do we breathe fast, we also take deep breaths and thus inhale more oxygen. Now, we will perform activity 10.3 to arrange the given different activities in their ascending order of their rate of breathing. In the given diagram, various activities carried out by a person during a normal day is shown. Think breathing rate for each such activity. In which activity the rate of breathing will be the slowest and in which it will be the fastest. Arrange them in ascending order on their breathing rate. Students, you will observe that sleeping girl has the slowest breathing rate and running girl has the fastest breathing. Given activities in ascending order according to their breathing rate: sleeping, reading, walking, climbing steps, washing clothes, and running fast. So, we will conclude that breathing rate of an individual depends on the activity carried out by him or her. Students, Paheli wants to know why we yawn when we are sleepy or drowsy. So answer of this question is our body gets tired and it tends to take rest or sleep. When we feel sleepy, rate of respiration slows down. Because of this, lungs will not get enough oxygen and we yawn. Yawning brings extra oxygen to the lungs and helps us in being awake. Students, this is the end of today's session. We will continue this chapter in next video. Thank you.